Levi, we gonna show Dada? Daddy's gonna go sleigh riding. Let's watch Daddy. Not very fast. Daddy needs a bigger hill. Levi, what are you looking at? Levi, what'd you find? A dream? What's that? What's that? What's that, Levi? What's that? What is that? More. More? Look at Mommy.
Alright, this time we're going all the way down.
Uh-oh.
Film ready.
Oh no. Here we go. Any disability insurance?
The famous snowboarder of all. The famous snowboarder of all. And he's gonna wipe out soon. I'm trying it! On this hill, just like where you live.
That's hard.
I don't care. Thank you. No!
Yes, Luke. Look at him. Look at Levi. See drain.
Don't let him fall through it.
How's he gonna fall through it?
Don't put it.
It's balance. Oh, you're going that way, huh? Ready?
You went the other way.
I'm going too!
Don't go backwards.